While driving at 30 meters per second on the highway, you see a sign letting you know there's a construction area ahead with a new speed limit of 17 meters per second. You immediately start slowing down and reach the new speed limit after going 85 meters. How long did it take you to slow down to the new speed limit? Our picture's drawn up here on the board. Here's your car, initially going 30 meters per second. You're slowing down, so your arrows for velocity are getting smaller and smaller. That must mean the acceleration has to be going in the opposite direction. When you get 85 meters away, at the end of your slowing down period, when you get to the construction zone, your new velocity is 17 meters per second. We're going to pull some numbers out of the problem. We know that your car is going to travel 85 meters. The initial speed that we had when we started our slowdown process was 30 meters per second. Our final velocity when we're done slowing down is 17 meters per second. We do not know what the acceleration is, so we're not going to write anything down. And the question is asking, how long does this take? So time is what we want. We're going to pick the equation that does not have acceleration in it. That is the second equation, d equals 1/2 vf plus v naught times t. So now I can get rid of my half by multiplying by 2. So multiply both sides by 2, the half goes away, and I'm left with 2d on the left equals vf plus v naught, those are still in parentheses, times t. You don't want to add or subtract either of these vf or v naught over to the left because they're in parentheses. You got to keep them together as if they're one thing. So I can divide the total thing. I can divide what's in parentheses there. So if I divide both sides by vf plus v naught, then it would cancel on the right, and it would just be the whole thing, vf plus v naught is in the denominator on that left side. From here, I can plug in some numbers. 2 times 85 meters is on the top. vf is 17 meters per second plus 30 meters per second. So 2 times 85 is going to get you 170. The bottom is going to be 47. All that, when I divide it, is going to get me time, and that should be 3.62 seconds to slow down to the new speed for the construction site.